Okay, welcome back. The day is here, the pond is completed. So as you've been watching through the video, step by step, from digging it out, putting in the liner, bringing all the rocks in, doing the plumbing. We've got the electricians here today, and this is it. The pond's finished. We just put a couple plants in the bog area, which I do have the bog pump turned off so it wouldn't mess up the pond. But the pond is complete. So you see the pond is about 10 feet wide, 12 feet wide. The rocks do kind of shrink it up a little bit. We got a nice little beautiful waterfall in the corner. We got our moss rock boulders framing it in. Homeowners didn't want too much noise, so we didn't build the waterfall too high. We've got beautiful plant pockets going around the edge here. So the homeowners want to pick out their own pond plants, you know, make the pond more personal. And they're going to put the plants right into the plant pockets. We've got the jets over here. Little jet guys, these guys, little guys right here, helping circulate water, kind of like in the stagnant areas of the pond. Right back here, we've got our little second jet right here, pushing water over towards the skimmer. We got our nice skimmer box over here. We got this beautiful black lid. No, I'm just kidding. We actually have a rock lid coming in that's gonna cover this. It's an artificial lid, so it saves you from literally lifting heavy rocks off the lid to clean the skimmer. Inside the skimmer, we have the pump off. So let's go turn that on. All right, skimmer's back on. Running back over here. Look at this baby in action. So the skimmer's in, net's in, brushes. We're actually running a 2-pump system on this. So we got a pump in here. It's a submersible pump. It's a Teton XC 5,100 gallon per hour, and it's pulling water through the skimmer, pushing water over to the bog. So you see the bog just came on, so I plugged it in. Then we've actually got an external pump sucking off the bottom drain. So you want a bottom drain on a koi pond. The bottom drain sucks up all that fish waste, all the debris off the bottom. Boom, goes over here. Whoop, whoop. Got the external motor, beautiful motor, Artesian 2 Performance Pro up out of Oregon. Extremely quiet, extremely energy efficient. Pulls about 2.5 amps, which is about 270 watts, 280 watts of power. From here, wham, water's going into the GCTEK filter. Great koi pond filter. It's a bead filter where all that bacteria grows, breaks down fish waste, collects the finer particulate out of the water. Coming out of there, gotta have a UV light. Going through a UV light, 57 watt, enough to kill all the algae cells in the water, keep that water crystal clear. From here, it's going out, back to the waterfall, and off to those 2 jets. This is kind of the shot from behind. You've got the 2 plants in there, in the bog. They're gonna take off. This pond is pretty much done. I mean, the only thing, like I said earlier, is the electrical. We got Jeff Domer Electrical over here, Pacific Coast Electric. Shout out to them. A great electric company if you guys need it. Located in Roseville. They will travel anywhere. They might charge you a little bit more, but they are a great company if you ever guys need a good electrician. So that is it. The pond is wrapped up. The next step is bringing the fish in, which the fish are actually coming down from Oregon. So the homeowner has a pond up in Oregon. They're gonna be transported down here. We're gonna be dropping the fish in. We're done.